The simple answer is it just gives you real-time information that you can deep dive into quickly and efficiently and really give what the customer wants and needs in a really intelligent form. And that really means something as simple as a simple message to say you may be experiencing an issue, but we're on top of it, we're aware of it, and we're dealing with it, rather than being reactive to it and letting the customer tell you that they've got an issue. The simple answer, it's a regulatory requirement, but also you've got to give the customer what they need. At the end of the day, we're all trying to make revenues and improve our businesses, and you can only do that if you've got reliable capability, reliable platforms, reliable technology, reliable processes. So therefore, having that ability to see things real time and do something and act on them is super important.
So observability is a journey, and it's cross-functional, which means that from your development teams all the way through to your business operations and your site reliability engineering, all need to be focused on the same end objective. These objectives do need to be set at the top and then come down into the technology rather than the other way around. And as I said, this is a journey, so it does take time, and you need to look at all the different component parts of your business services to ensure that you have got that whole holistic view of how your business is operating. So first of all, we've got a very tried and tested methodology of how we approach the problem with observability, starting at the top from the business objectives all the way down into the technology. We are very much technology agnostic when it comes to the observability. We like to be able to reuse all the existing investment to be able to access the different data elements that are required to be able to then aggregate that up into an enterprise control center. So as I mentioned, we are very much agnostic to the technology, and what we've realized is that by repeating the process over and over, we're able to build a set of domain packs that we can actually apply to different industries. And we've been able to do this across different industries, multiple different industries. But what it does do is it speeds up the time to discover to the time to implementation, going from a couple of months down to a few days. So the client can actually get value straight away throughout the process, rather than wait months or years before they're actually seeing any return on investment.
I think, as Ian has mentioned, it's an organisation that is quick to get to market and able to give you product quickly, but they really listen, and they're also a company that, whilst they have the capability, they don't force that capability on you. They work with you to make sure it's a real joint effort. And we have a same mindset, which is think customer and control the controllable. It's been great, really insightful. It's great to see so many different companies all coming together with a very same thought process on how technology can really improve how the regulatory landscape is moving forward and changing. And there's been some good debate as well, which I think is fantastic.
So this has actually been it's been fantastic. It's grown a lot more than previous years. I'm seeing a lot of vendors now attending as well, with some very intuitive solution offerings out there. It's a great place to collaborate, and we're seeing clients coming, and they really are looking for new solutions to be able to tackle the new regulatory problems that are hitting the markets.